So this week's project was a shelf that I built into the corner of our kids' room. I'm definitely no carpenter, but bit by bit we're building our whole furniture ourselves. Usually a project like this starts with my beautiful wife knowing exactly what I need to build. I always got some wood lying around, so I see what I can use for the project ahead and start building it. And I do like it when edges are not perfectly straight, and I like the imperfection when you're just eyeballing things if possible and not measure everything exactly. So I'm using a bandsaw, and I've got a drill press and a beltsander. If you like this video, please press like or even subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Or feel free to leave me a comment and tell me what you think about it. Enjoy the video. See you soon.